iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 0. Orlando Pirates winning on penalties, courtesy of Vincent Pule scoring the last kick off the sudden death penalties. Usfiso Hlanti missing a penalty as well. Tso Vilakazi, our analyst, very quickly, your summary of the game, sir.
Ezinyama ngenkanza kephela umuzi kamasipala sawenza wawo.
Mr. So.
Yeah, well done to Mapagane. Like I said, this all ukuthi the game is a penalty.
Oh yeah, that was your prediction. That this game would be decided on penalties. You didn't care who was going to win. Yeah. It was going to go on penalties, and I was wishing, hey, they don't waste our time for us to go on penalties, but they did. They wasted our time.
No, Mr. Gale, because you could see both teams. They're almost similar. They've got two defensive midfielders. They don't have like more creative players. They'll be attack Lana. So create 3 chances, kanjalo. It was a game a tight middle lane. Not too much attacking zone of both teams. Especially first half, the only time we I would say we saw a chance. It was I think 42 minutes. That's when you attack Galontuzana Kasogota, and then Ushando came with the tackle. Other than that, there is always a counter that that free kick. What else? Nothing. Then second half, you could see now Uti Ungenawapule, Udlamini, there and there, but Ungenawapule it came here at Ugvuga. Shabalala, Uzwane, wow. Those boys, they look like they can carry the team, in the future. Because now
I was about to ask, carry the team now.
No, not now. In the future,
Okay.
In the future. Now they still have a long way. His niggas they fall good as long as. But Mr. Nkeo, Chiefs, they look like a team like second half. They can score. Omat was playing those good passes, behind the defense where Pilat made a run, Lapana to Prusa made a run, and the 2 offsides. I think the guys they got it wrong. Yeah, they got it wrong.
Even though it was raining.
Yeah, they got it wrong. Ega Lipasa, and then they got to Prusa, but they got it wrong because when you look at the line, you could tell. I remember we had an argument that said he is on. He's not offside, he's on. And when you look at Tove put him in. And I don't know why Bono offside. Again, this side, Utuprisa also, same angle, it was also on, but they said it's offside. And
you were impressed by Usandile Mthethwa and Thapelo Xhoga's partnership?
Mr. Keo.
Even though the fans didn't vote for this centre-back pairing, it just turned out that it was good enough that you now can think that in future you could use those 2 and play a 4, or maybe use those 2 in a 3 at the back.
Mr. Nkeo, yabona nje bakusexo. Salasokiyeka ku bench. Don't try to be smart because uzobe so mosha into end. If you look at both, I'm impressed with two teams in terms of those centre backs, because for me these 2 centre backs, they played well, both of them. They didn't have a challenge where some was exposed, because if you can check in these 2 teams, Mathoho uqineka ukudlala, Mthethwa ngapha uqineni ukudlala. So both of them, they came in and they didn't show signs ukuthi baba man ngirastinyana angikhona ukujika touching ayiluza nana. No, they didn't show those signs. They were always at the right position at the right time, and they would get those balls. Look at the timing. Usaleng first half when he was giving Unjabulo problems, I'm sharing speed. Who was covering? Mathoho. And most of those balls, across our Saleng, Mathoho will get them. So for me, Mthethwa and Mathoho, they played very well. Looking at a good team, after a long time, they're not playing, and they're playing with these 2 guys. It's the first time they're playing together, but they can show the quality in this game. That's why you see this game, it went to penalties, because of the quality of those defenders that were there. And the players, I think they've worked hard to take this team to the penalty.
A quick one for the final, a quick thought on the final?
We're going to watch, I think we're going to watch a final session training, final session, Sundowns, when they're gonna finish up. They'll continue practice scoring chances, how they'll create those chances in the game. Because they're creating, they're getting in that box, but when they need to finish up, kill somewhere there and there. So I think now they're gonna show that. Mr. Gill, it's gonna be a tough one. It's gonna be a tough one. Pirates, I doubt it will allow Ilontuzana Sundowns Izenzela. I think everyone saw Sundowns in the morning. They were all over Amazulu.
Quick prediction?
Yeah. Mr. Nkewu. Mr. Nkewu.
Quick prediction?
Couldn't Mr. Nkewu.
Quick prediction?
I'm going to get the Sundowns. The thing, Mr. Nkewu, is that team. The Pirates, they do have players.
Repeat your prediction again.
Sundowns will win.
Okay, there you go. That's all I needed. I didn't want you to say whatever you say is your prediction.
But allow me.
Load shedding. Thank you, guys. We'll come back on the final. We need to keep this video short. We'll come back on the final. This is the second game. We'll be here again later on tonight for the third game. It's impossible to do 3 games, but we did it today. Thanks to Junior, thanks to Tso, thanks to Justice, and Offense as well. And Machaga. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.